this is the script department finally coming into typing. Scripts have been developed, they've been typed out. We've just been able to show how the professional layout for scripting is done for film. We want to have done this with a software called Final Draft, but it's not installed on the system, so we've used the Microsoft alternative by itemizing and categorizing the spacing and making sure we lay out closest to what Final Draft should give us in terms of point size and everything. So what you're seeing on the screen is how the script should look when it's coming out for film. So Francis, can you please have a view of what they're doing? Okay, so that's the script writers, the team, the whole of them. They put the script together, and that's the script that is coming into shape on screen. And so class, we're breaking up right now to go for lunch, and we'll be back very quickly to get into rehearsals and shooting, okay? That means location, everything should be ready before we come back, or while we come back, okay? Okay, let's shut down, guys, and let's hit the cafeteria. Okay. Thank you.
May I stay here?
You want to stay? You don't want to eat?